Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video we are talking about NFT Art Finance coin friends. What's the current price of NFT, what's the price change goes at this time NFT, and what's the next move of NFT Art Finance coin. And this video I will show you friends, so please keep watch this video till the end. And if you are new in my channel, so kindly subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about NFT Art Finance coin friends. Now friends, let's start the video. First of all, we talk about the current price of the NFT Art Finance coin. As you can see here, 0.000000001 USD dollar is the current price of NFT Art Finance coin friends. As you can see here, the price is very low. That is why NFT Art Finance is best for investment friends. If you want to invest, so NFT Art Finance coin as best for. Now friends, I feel like the change occur in the NFT, so they are currently bad, but soon they become positive friends. 14.68% negative change occur in NFT Art Finance coin in the last 24 hours friends. Now let's see for more details the price statistic. As you can see here, the graph of the NFT Art Finance coin. So as I told you that they goes very highly, but unfortunately in the previous last 3 days 4 days only and only fast occur NFT Art Finance coin. As you can see here, at this point they take a high jump, but unfortunately in the last some days only and only fast occur NFT Art Finance. So soon they become again so just start jumping. So please don't sell it if you are a holder, and if you want to buy, so absolutely it's a good decision for all of you to buy NFT Art Finance coin friends. Now friends, let's see the price statistic. As you can see here, the market here, as you can see here, the price change occur, as I told you already, that 14.70% negative change occur, and the 24-hour volume as low price. As you can see, low price, the low price of the NFT Art Finance coin here, 0.00002 USD dollar is the low price of the NFT Art Finance coin in the 24-hour friends. And now that is a new cryptocurrency. That is why if we talk about the market rank of NFT Art Finance coin, so the market rank is about 4,865 is the market rank of the NFT Art Finance coin friends. So what's your opinion about NFT Art Finance coin? My opinion is that NFT is best for investment friends in this time friends. Please share your opinion in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.